This video is showing the loading and unloading operation of an L&L Special Furnace model DRQ246 Aluminum Heat Treating and Quenching System. The DRQ is designed to meet the requirements of AMS 2770 for the heat treatment and quenching of aluminum alloy parts. The primary operation we are showing here is the quench delay time. AMS 2770 calls for a specific delay from the time the oven door is opened until the thermal load is lowered into the quench tank. This DRQ model is being tested for a 7-second quench delay. The 7-second requirement satisfies AMS 2770 for parts measuring a thickness between 1/64th and 1/32nd of an inch. The DRQ has an elevator quench tank, which uses pneumatic cylinders to raise and lower the thermal load from the quench tank. The oven and quench tank for the DRQ246 are sized for a work zone of 24 inches wide by 24 inches high by 36 inches deep and can meet AMS 2750 Class 3 uniformity between 500 degrees and 1100 degrees Fahrenheit. For more information on this or any other L&L Special Furnace product, please visit our website at www.llfurnace.com, or you can email our sales team directly at sales@llfurnace.com.